my name is Teacher Rachel. Hi.
Okay, teacher Rachel.
Okay,
Hi.
nice to have you in my class. How about you? What is your name? Can I have your name?
My name is Lily.
Lily, like this?
Yes.
Yes, wow.
Yes.
You know what? Earlier, I also have a student that's named Lily. So you have the same names. Okay, nice.
I see.
Okay, nice to meet you, Lily, and thank you for choosing this class with me. So, Lily, before hopping in or moving into our lesson, let's talk about each other first, okay? Are you game?
Okay.
Okay, Lily,
Yes.
we will talk about interests or the thing that we love doing the most. I will start first, Lily. You know what? I am a book collector. Okay, I'll type it. I am a book
Oh,
collector.
I see. Book collector.
Yes, I have a lot
Uh-huh.
of novels. I'm actually finishing a book tonight. So after this class, I will be reading a book. I will finish that novel. So that's what I do. So for you, Lily, what do you love doing?
mm,
Okay.
I love to listen music. The
Wow.
classical music.
Wow. Classical music. Mozart. Like that?
Yes.
Mozart. With
Yeah, Mozart
wow. Oh,
and mm,
Beethoven. So you love playing piano.
Beethoven. Yes.
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 Are you
Piano and
wow.
how to say that?
Guitar?
Uh,
What
mm,
other instrument?
Guitar is also okay. Yes.
Wow. Wow, so
And
you really love music and that's good. That's good, Lily. Yes, because you know
thank
what?
you.
Good. I did a research. I did a research about when you play music like piano. Do you know that it will improve it will improve your concentration or your memory.
Concentration. Yes,
Yes,
I
and your
see.
memory, Lily. So, conversational English, is that what you're trying to say?
Yes.
Improve
Conversation.
conversational English. I know, Lily, this could be hard and it takes a lot of practice. So, without further ado,
Okay.
let us now have our lesson today, Lily, and we will learn a lot.
Okay.
And I also agree with you, Lily.
Travel.
Yes, I also agree with you that it can be challenging saying or speaking the language if you don't have practice. So it's a nice move for you, Lily, that you enrolled yourself in an ESL company like Akadsock so you can practice a lot. Our lesson for today,
Okay.
Lily, is about travel. Do you love traveling?
Actually, no.
Oh, okay. That's okay.
I, I
Oh,
no. I like traveling, but actually, I have no time to
oh, okay.
travel.
How
Yes.
about how about business trips? Is there any business trips that your company will
Business trip.
business trips?
Yes. In June 16, I will go to UK, English.
Wow.
Yeah, England. Yes.
Okay.
But just for 5 days
Oh, so that will be
to
about your work. About your work. Lily?
about my work. Yes.
Work
Yes.
related. Wow. Okay. So travel. Okay, Lily. Our topic for today is English for travel. Introduce the world's famous destinations. So by later, Lily, maybe we will go to Europe or the United Kingdom and we can see there some of the famous destinations. So are you ready now?
Yes.
As of number one, Lily, the Statue of Liberty
Yeah.
in New York, USA. Okay, Lily, kindly read this one. Statue
Statue of Liberty.
Liberty. Okay, good.
Yes.
Lily, another word for liberty? liberty is freedom or free.
Yes.
Freedom. That's why
Freedom.
in their anthem, in their national anthem, they have that line, for the land of the brave and the... Okay, next.
The Statue of
Liberty.
Liberty.
Oh, this one is your dream destination, Lily, or your dream place.
Yes.
The Eiffel
Yes.
Tower in Paris, France. Okay? Kindly read this part. The present building was erected or was built. So our destination number 3, Lily, St. Basil's Cathedral, Moscow, Russia. Can you please read again? Saint.
Basil Cathedral, Moscow, Russia.
Good job. Okay, that is number 3. And we will have the next one. Ooh, this one is in Greece. Blue Domed Church, Santorini, Greece. Repeat after me. Okay.
Blue,
Blue
Blue Dome,
Domed Church,
Blue Domed Church.
Santorini, Greece.
Santorini, Greece.
Okay. Have you seen a picture like this one?
Oh no, not yet.
Okay. And how can you describe? How can you describe, Lily, this picture? Describe. What can you say?
Describe.
Describe. What can you say
I
about
can see the blue.
the...
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
see a blue domed
Okay.
church.
Okay. Okay, let's try saying this word again, Lily.
It's
Domed.
domed.
Yes, that's better. So we can notice here
Domed.
the... Okay, this one is in...
The Great Sea.
Okay, let us practice
Egypt.
Sphinx. 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 You have a homework. Please read 6 to 10 of